Here I got Huawei MediaPad T5 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then pick the system, which is the very last option, and now go to About Tablet. Scroll down a bit and here you've got build number, so just keep tapping on it. And as you can see, you are a developer now, so let me go back. And now here, those developer options appeared, so let's open them. As you can see, from now on, you have access to truly advanced options and operations, so just come along with all of them, perform which only you need. Just make sure that you want what all of those features means, because they are truly advanced, so they can make a huge changes in your tablet. And then if you would like to switch them off, simply tap on this icon to switch off developer options. Let me go back, and then as you can see, let me go back to system, and then they will be now active, so you'll not be able to do it. You will have to activate them one more time. And that would be all. This is how you can activate and use developer options in Huawei MediaPad T5. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.